Several months ago, I claimed the 3 months Sky Cinema Pass. I got this email, and it's going to expire tomorrow. So I need to click the link and get the pass to my NowTV account. So I just click on it. So after click on it, I am now on the McDonald's side and say get the pass. And here you can see, after 3 months period, your pass renews as $9.99 a month unless cancelled. You can cancel anytime, no contract. So remember to cancel it if you don't want to pay it after 3 months free. So I'm going to sign in to the NowTV account. So here to the NowTV website, so you need to enter your email and the passwords to sign in. After I signed in to the NowTV, this is the page I have got. So start your offer, 3 months cinema pass, and it started on 30th December and expire on 30th March 2018. And at the bottom, we have two buttons, cancel offer or start offer. So if we click start offer, so offer will be valid. So that's how to use your free offer.